Subaru is making changes to the 2026 Crosstrek that fundamentally transform what this compact crossover can deliver, from eliminating the underpowered base engine entirely to introducing a hybrid system that maintains true mechanical all-wheel drive. We're looking at powertrain upgrades, emergency safety systems that can take control if you become incapacitated, and structural improvements that address the biggest complaints about the previous model. Stay with us as we break down 7 key differences between the old and new 2026 Subaru Crosstrek explained in detail. Number 7. No more underwhelming base engine. Anyone who's driven a base-trim Crosstrek with the old 2.0-liter engine knows the frustration. That smaller engine was producing just 152 horsepower and 145 pound-feet of torque, and the performance felt genuinely sluggish. Picture yourself trying to merge onto a busy highway. You're flooring the accelerator, but the vehicle just isn't responding with the urgency you need. For 2026, Subaru is eliminating that problem entirely. The 2.0-liter engine has been completely dropped, and every single Crosstrek now comes standard with a 2.5-liter Boxer engine. This means even the most affordable base trim is equipped with 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque right from the factory. That's the same power output that used to be reserved for sport or limited trims. The larger engine doesn't have to work nearly as hard, which means a broader, more accessible power band. You're getting noticeably better throttle response, more confident highway passing, and improved capability when loaded with camping gear. Despite the displacement increase, fuel economy remains highly competitive at approximately 33 miles per gallon on the highway. So the standard engine is finally addressing performance concerns, but wait until you see what Subaru's doing with their completely redesigned hybrid system. Number 6. All-new hybrid powertrain. The most significant powertrain story for 2026 is the debut of Subaru's completely redesigned hybrid system. This is a sophisticated series parallel architecture that fundamentally changes how the Crosstrek delivers power. The setup starts with a modified 2.5-liter Boxer engine running on the Atkinson cycle, but the real magic happens with the addition of 2 electric motors, one acting as a generator and a second motor providing direct propulsion with 118 horsepower and 199 pound-feet of torque. The combined system output reaches 194 horsepower, making this the most powerful Crosstrek ever produced. Here's where Subaru's engineering stands apart. Most hybrid crossovers use an e-axle system, where an independent electric motor powers the rear wheels. Imagine you're on a snow-covered Forest Service road. Those e-axle systems struggle because they can't provide the sustained torque distribution you need when one axle starts slipping. Subaru integrated the hybrid transaxle into the existing longitudinal all-wheel drive chassis, ensuring that power is mechanically distributed to all 4 wheels through a traditional drive shaft. This means the hybrid models maintain 8.7 inches of ground clearance while delivering vastly superior fuel efficiency. The 2026 hybrid achieves a manufacturer-estimated total range of up to 621 miles per tank, compared to the 2025 gasoline model's 547 miles. The hybrid system delivers an EPA-estimated 36 miles per gallon combined, representing a 38% improvement in city fuel economy. Yes, the battery pack reduces cargo volume from 19.9 cubic feet to 18.6 cubic feet, but when you're gaining instant electric torque, 621-mile range, and maintaining full mechanical all-wheel drive, that's a worthwhile compromise. All that hybrid technology is revolutionary, but it's useless if drivers can't access the information they need, which is why the cabin's getting a complete digital overhaul. Number 5. Digital Instrument Cluster. For 2026, Subaru is bringing the Crosstrek into the digital age with an available 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster standard on sport hybrid and limited hybrid trims. You can toggle between full-screen navigation maps, detailed hybrid energy flow graphics, and comprehensive eyesight diagnostic views. The 11.6-inch Subaru Starlink touchscreen is now powered by a completely new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 automotive processor, delivering performance that's roughly 2.5 times faster. Map swipe performance is up to 3 times faster, and audio screen transitions are 6 times faster. The system's memory has been doubled from 4 gigabytes to 8 gigabytes, while storage has expanded from 64 gigabytes to 128 gigabytes. The 2026 premium and higher trims now feature wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard, along with a key-compatible wireless phone charging pad. Despite embracing digital interfaces, Subaru retained physical buttons for volume, tuning, and temperature controls. The digital displays are impressive, but beautiful screens mean nothing if the vehicle can't see what's happening around you. That's where the upgraded eyesight system becomes critical. Number 4. Updated eyesight technology. The 2026 version represents a fundamental leap forward through what engineers call sensor fusion. Instead of relying solely on cameras, the new system integrates a third wide-angle mono camera plus radar sensors. That third camera allows the system to identify pedestrians and cyclists at intersections much earlier. But the radar sensors truly transform reliability. Radar sensors can see through heavy rain, thick fog, or blowing snow without any degradation in performance. The processing backbone manages data 2.5 times faster than the 2025 model. The 2026 model debuts pre-curve speed control, which uses navigation data to anticipate upcoming curves and automatically reduce speed. Another upgrade is Highway Automatic Resume Assist, which can restart the vehicle from a full stop in heavy traffic for up to 30 seconds without any driver input. The 2026 model year also expands the availability of the surround view monitor, which uses 4 cameras to create a 360-degree bird's-eye view, making tight parking maneuvers and off-road navigation significantly easier. Eyesight can now see better than ever, but what happens when the driver can't? That's where the next generation of emergency systems comes into play. Number 3. Emergency Stop Assist and Driver Focus Suite. The new Emergency Stop Assist with safe lane selection is designed for medical emergencies or severe fatigue while behind the wheel. If the system detects that you've become completely unresponsive after multiple alerts, it can take over the steering to guide the vehicle toward the road shoulder. The system brings the car to a controlled stop, activates hazard lights, and unlocks all doors to assist first responders. This ensures that the vehicle can protect occupants and other road users, even when the human operator is no longer in control. Supporting this is the second-generation driver-focused distraction mitigation system. The 2026 iteration features a wider-angle, higher-resolution infrared camera that can track eye and head movements with far greater precision, even through most sunglasses and in extreme low-light conditions. The synergy between eyesight and driver focus is significantly deeper than in the previous model. If eyesight detects an obstacle ahead and driver focus determines you're looking at your phone, the system triggers a faster, more aggressive warning. The 2026 driver focus system can also recognize up to 5 different drivers and automatically adjust the power seats, side mirrors, and climate control settings. These advanced safety systems are monitoring everything, but all that technology would be wasted if the vehicle's structure couldn't handle the demands being placed on it. Number 2. Improved structural rigidity. The 2026 model utilizes approximately 88.5 feet of high-strength structural adhesive, a massive increase over the 26.2 feet used in the prior generation. This increases torsional rigidity, which improves handling precision, and significantly reduces road vibrations and cabin rattles when traversing washboard dirt roads. The focus on cabin serenity is particularly evident in the 2026 hybrid models. The hybrid trims come standard with acoustic laminated glass for the windshield and front door windows, dampening high-frequency wind noise and tire hum. Additional underbody insulation and thickened floor padding absorb the sound of gravel spray and water. With a 10% increase in platform stiffness and a revised steering rack from the WRX, the 2026 Crosstrek delivers a driving experience that's noticeably more composed than its predecessor. All these mechanical improvements are impressive, but they mean nothing if buyers can't figure out which trim level gives them what they need, which brings us to the complete reorganization of the lineup. Number 1. Trim level reorganization. For 2026, the vehicle is available in 7 distinct trims: Base, Premium, Sport, Sport Hybrid, Limited, Limited Hybrid, and Wilderness. The Sport Hybrid and Limited Hybrid are premium tier offerings with standard features previously relegated to option packages. These hybrid trims come standard with the Power Moonroof and Harman Kardon 10-speaker premium audio system. The gasoline models maintain a cargo volume of 19.9 cubic feet, with rear seats up and 54.7 cubic feet when folded. However, for the hybrid models, the battery pack reduces storage space to 18.6 cubic feet behind the second row and 50.6 cubic feet with seats folded. The hybrid omits the temporary spare tire in favor of a tire mobility kit. For 2026, the sport trim features expanded yellow exterior accents and simulated carbon fiber interior trim. The hybrid models introduce exclusive paint colors, sand dune pearl, and citron yellow pearl. Inside, the limited and wilderness models now include a standard heated steering wheel. These changes signal a move toward a more feature-rich lineup where even entry-level buyers get meaningful capability upgrades, while hybrid buyers receive a carefully curated package eliminating option sheet confusion. The 2026 Subaru Crosstrek represents a comprehensive evolution that addresses every major criticism of the previous generation, from the underpowered base engine replaced with a standard 2.5-liter unit to the revolutionary hybrid system maintaining mechanical all-wheel drive while delivering 621-mile range to emergency safety technology that can take control if you become incapacitated. With faster processors, structural improvements reducing cabin noise, and a reorganized trim lineup, Subaru is positioning the 2026 Crosstrek as the most capable and refined version of this compact crossover ever produced. With these updates, the Crosstrek will certainly cement its class-leading position, but it's not like rivals will be without trump cards. For those who appreciate cabin space and overall functionality, the 2026 Chevy Trax, which you can check out in our next video, might be an ideal choice. It's comfortable, versatile, and well-built, exactly what many buyers in this segment need.